What's up, guys? This is gonna be part 2 of me doing Starlights on this Dodge Durango. This is the beginning of the video. Over here, we don't have to do any of the swag changes. Everything's already all black. So today we're just gonna be dropping the headliner and then bringing it inside, poking all the holes and putting every fiber optic. We're doing 700 stars and we're also doing the sunroof. So stay tuned, this will be the beginning. All right, so here's the Starlights. Got 1,200 pieces. We're only doing 700. There they are. They already looks like they kind of sectioned it off for us. Comes with the box, the igniter, remote, plus if you want to plug it into your car charger location, or it looks like you can also wire it. So what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to wire it to the fuse. We're gonna tap into the fuse. Excuse me. Then we got this right here. While you're down there, basically you can use this also too. A lot of people will cut it from right here and then splice it to, like, let's say this or something else. That way you can extend it if you're gonna do the fuse tap. So most likely we'll probably be using this. Cut it from here, find the positive in the ground, extend it, and then tap it into the fuse. But for now, we'll use this while we're inside. We can turn it on, that way we can see our progress and how it looks to see if we need to make any adjustments or anything like that. But yep, there we go. Here we go, we got the headliner down.
This little cable went in here, so this goes there. This goes all around. This little thing goes on top.
That's the water wire. Now here we go, we're about to drop it right now. Took all the A-pillars, weather strip and all of that.
Your dad was laughing because we took videos.
I was like, man, you never know.
Yeah, I know.
There we go, we got it down from the back. Got little wires here and here. And just prying in. There we go, we about to take it out right now. Here we go, we got the headliner out. Within, I think, like an hour and a half. Not too bad. Took off the little side pillars and everything like that. Then we put all the seats down. So it'll make it easier to come out. I love doing it on these type of cars, even though it's my second time doing it, but perfect car to do it, honestly, because you can take it out straight from the trunk. Compared to my car, I had to take it out from one of these doors and kind of, bend it a little bit. You gotta play around with it to get it out, but I'm taking it to my basement, and then we're gonna start making the holes for the Starlights. Just took out the sunroof. Got all the other holes poked and marked. 162 each section. I'll come around. All across. Everything that's left will be 50 stars in the sunroof. And then that's it. That'll be 700 stars. Yes, sir. 700 stars on this 2018 Dodge Durango GT. Shit came out nice. Super fire. I fuck with it. Now we just gotta cut them all, then install it. We'll be installing it tomorrow. We did 50 stars in the sunroof and everywhere else. 650 to match the 700, but shit fire as fuck.
Not caught yet? We're gonna do that when we're in the car.
The behind the scenes.
This one doesn't work.
About to put it in right now. On the finishing touches. See how we got this makeshift tripod. Shit coming in clutch right now. Got all the pillars back in. 2 C pillars basically, both B's. It's clipped back here. Everything is nice and just finishing up, and then the final reveal. Sunroof still works.